Some plants pull off a ridiculous trick. They ride tiny updrafts so well that their pollen can end up hundreds of kilometers away, even when the plant itself never grows taller than your knees. It happens because their pollen grains are shaped to fall so slowly that even a weak breeze lifts them, which means a calm-looking field can secretly launch millions of airborne hitchhikers. And that's why a single gust can help a small plant spread farther than a towering tree. If that surprised you, like, comment, and subscribe for more strange science stories.